This practical and stylish 2015 Skoda Fabia 1.2 petrol hatchback DSG, perfect for city driving and everyday journeys. Enjoy a reliable petrol engine, smooth DSG, automatic gearbox, and efficient running costs in a compact yet versatile design. Key features: heated side mirrors, electric front windows, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, central locking, ISOFIX child seat points, split folding rear seats, USB aux input, daytime running lights, adjustable driver's seat. To arrange a test drive, call our office team, who are ready to help with any questions you may have. Your part exchange is welcome, and finance is available on request. All vehicles are fully valeted and prepared before a handover. We're an approved AA standards car dealership. We are the small car company.